So if it is visible, so please inform me.
Yes, now we are seeing your. Yes, yeah. So
Okay,
you
good
can
morning,
start.
everyone. Yes, my name is Asari Bhagwan, and today's my topic is about what is the difference between transcendentalism and romanticism. Transcendentalism was known as a philosophical movement that was initialized in the year 1820 and the year 1830. Transcendentalist belief spiritually is not something you can explain. It is something you feel. A transcendentalist would argue that going for a walk is a beautiful in a beautiful place would be a much more spiritual experience than reading a regular text. Transcendentalist would know for inherited goodness of a people and natural complementing society, and it is religious structure which transcendentalist value through rejecting a transcendental dogma. It is the main motive was to enhance the uh, intuition over object. Reasoning transcendentalists teach that there is a God presence everywhere, and yet it shows it should be given equal respect. The transcendentalist movement arose as a result of a reaction to Unitarianism, as well as the age of reason. Both center on a reason as the main source of knowledge, but the transcendentalists reject that notion. The two most noted American transcendentalists were Ralph Waldo Emerson and Henry David Thoreau. Now we will see about Henry David Thoreau. Henry David Thoreau. He was born at 12 July 1862. He was an American nationalist, essayist, poet, and philosopher, a leader of transcendentalists. He is best known for his book Well Done. Here I have quoted on a transcendentalism. It is we inherit is but a point is space. Now we will say about Ralph Waldo Emerson. He was born at 25th May 1800 and died at 27 April 1882. He is an American poet, transcendentalist, poet, essayist, philosopher during 19th century. One of his best known essay is Self-Reliance. He is a fame believed on maintaining a self-reliance and value rather than following. Here we can see the quote of a transcendentalism. It is easy in the world to believe after the world's opinion. It is easy in the solitude to live after our own. But the great man is he who in the midst of the crowd keep with a complete prose works, which is written by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Uh, and he also believed that wisdom and self-realization are the key to grow. The concept is also related to good and evil. The lack of self-growth between us generate while happiness lead to a good deed. The romantics also believed in some of these concepts. However, they stress the power of good in preventing evil. uh, uh, Now we will say about a romanticism. Romanticism or a romantic era was known for artistic, literary, intellectual, and musical movement, which was born in Europe, which was initialized at the end of the 18th century. Romanticism was worked out from 1800 to 1860 approximately. Romanticism was react to the basic revolution of industry. Uh, Rationalization of science, and even the concept of modernity. The movement emphasizes an aesthetic experience and the feeling it's generate, identifying a new emotion such as anxiety, fear, terror, and horror. Now we will see the difference about between romanticism and transcendentalism. So romanticism was highly based on a feeling, emotion, and introduced a different emotion like anxiety, depression, etc. And hence romanticism highly patriotism and loyalties, whereas transcendentalism divinity. Romanticism emphasizes the emotion and feeling over a personal and intellectual growth, whereas the transcendentalism emphasizes the inspiration beyond the human perspective, tradition, and reasoning. Romanticism is does not having a emphasize God, whereas the transcendentalism strongly emphasize God, divinity, and believing in a miracle. Romanticism indicates a positivity, whereas the transcendentalism indicate both good and evil as a part of personal growth. Romanticism was against outward appearance and object reasoning, and transcendentalism was against religious tradition and dogmas. Here I have made a table of romanticism. At the one side it is a romanticism, and one side it is about a transcendentalism. Romanticism movement was born earlier in 18th century, and it was at a final stage at the year 1840. The beginning of the transcendental movement was started around 1834 and lasted till 1860 approximately. Romanticism was not much dedicated with the idea of a god, and hence religious was meant to be worked on a personal inner based result in a good or a evil, but not blinding following the same persequences structure or a religious. In transcendentalism was a full based on religion. They reject a religious dogma but believe that good presence is everywhere, and hence God can found by initiation. Name behind the romanticism writer are Emily Dickinson, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Edgar Allan Poe, and Walter Whiteman. And in transcendentalism, name behind the writer are Henry David Thoreau, Margaret Fuller, and Ralph Waldo Emerson. And we can see that romanticism is including a moral value, individualism, creativity, freedom, and emotion. And on the other side, transcendentalism is based full on the concept of writing and not defined in a particular one or a two type. And romanticism is highly dependent on observation collected from the nature, sense, feeling, and emotion. And transcendentalism is highly dependent on guidance from the inner light and intuition. And romanticism was the reaction against the outward appearance, reasoning, and transcendentalism was the reaction against the religion, tradition, belief, and dogma which overpower humans. Conclusion. So romanticism and transcendentalism encourage individual to go on the journey of God, divinity, and accept Tushar. Divinity and accept the fact that miracle do happen. Both of them motivates the journey of emotion like love, depress, anxiety, etc. And let that fill the human body. It is also taught to find the purpose of one's living, to meditate and find that inner light, and then conduct a selection out of two choices which are accepted, good in a life and evil in a life. Romanticism emphasizes the God is initial light, whereas the transcendentalists emphasize that God is the external force. Both of them taught to believe there is a God, and God is the universe, and whatever you seek from the universe you shall receive. What is God? It's the nature, belief, universe, and emotion. That one thing which was for sure was the development of a personal growth, mentally and emotionally. Uh, So here you can see my references from where I have made a presentation, and thank you.
Yeah, okay, fine. Yes, you can now. There is the alphabetical order is still a problem. Yeah? You have a little bit edited from what you have submitted, but still there is somewhere the problem there. Okay, fine. Yes. Next presenter is Aditi. Anjali is absent. Aditi is the next presenter.
Yes. I would like to request Vyang to share your screen, please.